Key project construction is a powerful engine driving economic growth and at the same time, a crucial vehicle for promoting high-quality development. Recently, as one of the city's key projects, the first phase of Shandong Rippa Machinery Group Community LED's annual production base for 30,000 units of intelligent construction machinery and green manufacturing has entered the trial production stage. Production activities are in full swing, injecting strong momentum into the high-quality development of the district's manufacturing industry.
In the company's brand new production workshop, workers are carrying out machinery assembly work, ensuring that every piece of construction equipment leaving the factory meets high standard.
In order to expand production capacity, accelerate the research and development of new products, and speed up product upgrades and replacements, our group has built this high-standard workshop to meet the growing production demands. The Intelligent Construction Machinery Green Manufacturing Base Project, with an annual output of 30,000 units, covers a total area of 70,070 square meters, and began construction in September 2024. The entire project is being built in two phases. The first phase, the production workshop, is expected to start operations in June 2025, while the second phase, assembly workshop, is set to begin operations in October 2025.
According to reports, once the project reaches full production, it will have an annual output of 30,000 high-end, intelligent small construction machines, achieve annual sales of 1 billion renminbi, and profits and taxes of 24 million yuan, while creating over 500 jobs in the surrounding area.
At Rippa, our production workshop uses internationally advanced modular assembly lines and automated logistics systems. In the later stages, the equipment workshop is planned to be equipped with large-scale CNC machining centers, intelligent welding robots, and other high-end equipment, enabling full process digital management and control of production, which improves production efficiency, enhances flexibility and reduces production costs. Once workshop number 7 is officially put into operation, it will be able to produce more than 40 models of excavators, ranging from 0.8 tons to 85 tons, as well as over 10 models of skid steer loaders, with load capacities from 300 kilograms to 2 tons. The group's products are aimed at the global market, with the largest markets currently being the Americas and Europe. The main countries include the United States, Canada, France, Germany, Poland, and several other countries and regions.
Shandong Rippa Machinery Group Co. Ltd. has upgraded its new workshop from a capacity carrier to a value engine that integrates technology, environmental sustainability, and efficiency. The successful commissioning of this project not only helps the company expand into international markets and enhance its competitiveness, but also strongly drives the construction machinery industry toward intelligent and green development.
Next, our group will continue to consolidate its leading position in the regional industry, further expand into international markets, and continuously enhance our technological innovation capabilities. This will allow us to further increase the group's production capacity, production scale, and brand influence, striving to become a benchmark enterprise for green, low-carbon and high-quality development in Jining High-Tech Zone.